If you want to convert music to 432 Hz in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to change the pitch of an entire track from 440 Hz down to 432 Hz using the most accurate method inside Audacity. This is a really useful trick if you're working with music, background audio, or any project where you want a lower tuning reference without manually guessing the settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now, let's jump in. First, open your audio file in Audacity. Once your track is loaded, you need to select the entire audio, so the pitch change applies to everything, not just a small section. The quickest way to do that is by pressing Ctrl-A on your keyboard. That will highlight the full track from beginning to end. Next, go up to the Effect menu at the top of Audacity. This is where all of the audio processing tools are located. From the list, look for Pitch and Tempo, then click Change Pitch. This is the correct tool to use because we want to change the tuning of the audio without changing the overall tempo. Now, the Change Pitch window will open. Inside this window, locate the box labeled Frequency. This is the most accurate way to make the conversion because standard music is typically recorded using a 440 Hz reference. To convert that tuning to 432 Hz, you need a specific mathematical drop, not just a random adjustment. In the From box, type 440. Then, in the To box, type 432. As soon as you do that, Audacity should automatically calculate the percent change for you. It should show negative 1.818%. If you see that number, you know the conversion is set correctly. This is important because 432 Hz is not just a visual setting, it's a precise pitch shift. Using the frequency boxes gives you a clean and accurate result, which is much better than trying to estimate the change by ear or using a less exact setting. Once everything looks right, click Apply. Audacity will process the track and convert it to the new tuning. Depending on the length of your audio, this may take a moment, but after it's finished, your music will now be shifted to 432 Hz. And that's it. You've successfully converted music to 432 Hz in Audacity. Just remember that the key steps are selecting the full track, opening Change Pitch, using the frequency boxes, entering 440 and 432, and then applying the change. That gives you the most accurate result for this type of tuning adjustment. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.